So in this section, we're going to be looking at the end behavior of polynomials. And honestly, this is getting into a little bit of a calculus concept. It's not that bad though. So let's take a look at, let's start with the right side actually. So as x goes to infinity, if you remember, this is our x-axis. This right here is our y-axis, or f of x in other words. So as x goes to infinity, that's talking about right here, let me highlight, x going to infinity is talking about going this way. So as our x is going way out to the right, what is the blue graph doing? Is it going up or is it going down? Or is it tending to something? We have something called a horizontal asymptote where it can stick to something. That's not really what we're going to see in this case. We're looking at polynomials. Those aren't going to have the asymptote. So it's either going to be going up or going down to positive or negative infinity. So let's look at this one. As we go way out to the right, what is our blue graph doing? Well, guess what? Our blue graph is going down, isn't it? So since it's going down, we're going to say that f of x is going to negative infinity. And then how do we say this? As x goes to negative infinity, so now we're talking about going to the left. So as x goes to negative infinity, if we go out here to the left, what's our graph doing? Well, if you look at our graph, our blue graph, as we go out to the left, as I trace it to the left, it's going up. So that's going to be going to positive infinity. Our y values will be approaching positive infinity. So that's the main idea there. And what we're going to do in the next example is we're going to learn how to compute this. And just so you guys know, this is what the graph would look like. Speaking of which, it could go, if it was going down, this would be going to negative infinity. So it does change depending upon what our polynomial is. And we're going to look at what causes that.